Ranjani Chaudhary. Welcome to my fifth internship task for Sparks Foundation, which is based on exploratory data analysis on sports. The task is about finding out winning and losing team and the factors which are leading to the victory. Also, we have to find out uh, who is the successful player for both win by runs and win by wicket. Firstly, we'll see uh, the winning factor analysis for win by runs. Now, amongst all the teams, we can see that Mumbai Indians have won a lot of times, and the losing team is losing because this team has won for less number of times. So, Gujarat Lions are the losing team. So we'll see the winning factors uh, behind the victory of Mumbai. If we see the umpire combination, we can observe that the Mumbai Indians have won for most of the times when the umpire combination was Nitin Menon or CK Nandan. So we can just assume it may be a probability or it may be a coincidence that uh, this may be a factor of match fixing, because for only this combination of umpires Mumbai Indians are winning. So we this from this we can investigate and maybe find out whether this is a case of match fixing or not. But besides that, we'll see what are the factors which are leading to the victory of Mumbai. Here we can see Mumbai Indians have won most of the times in Wankhede Stadium. So venue is a criteria of their victory because they have won a lot of times in their home ground, that is in Maharashtra. And also we can observe that whenever they have won the toss, they have won the match. So these two factors we can consider as the factors leading to the victory of Mumbai, that is venue and the toss winner. In the next part, we'll see winning factor analysis of win by wicket. Now, amongst all the teams, we can see Kolkata Knight Riders are the winners when it comes to win by wicket. Now, let's see for which umpire combination they have won for most of the time. So they have won for most of the time for the umpire combination HDPK, PK, Dharmasena or CK Nandan. Next we'll see for which venue they have won most of the time. So they have won most of the time when they played the match in their home ground, that is Eden Gardens. Also, if we see, yes, again when they have won the toss, they have won a lot of number of times. Next we'll move forward to the successful player analysis. Now when we are analyzing win by runs and win by wicket, in win by runs we can see that Chris Gayle has won for a larger number of times. So he has won by runs mm, sorry, he was the player of the match for the larger number of times. He won by runs by 519 runs and won by wicket by 61 runs. Now, if we see player of match analysis for win by wicket, we can see Gautam Gambhir was the player of match for a larger number of times, and he won by wickets by 74 runs and won by runs by 141 runs. So, for a team, I would suggest it is better to take Chris Gayle as one of their players because he has uh, won for larger number of runs in many of the matches. So taking Chris Gayle into the to any of the team is profitable. So with that note, I end this presentation. Thank you.